If you want to lose your dad bod, you have to count your calories, and that is non-negotiable. For the last 2 weeks, I've been tracking every calorie I eat with my GARMIN FENIX 8, and guess what? I lost 2 kilograms or 4.4 pounds. But here's the funny thing, not that long ago I did another experiment. I decided to run 5 kilometers every single day for 30 days. I thought I would lose a lot of weight, but I didn't change my diet at all. And after those 30 days, I actually gained weight. Today I'll show you why that happened and how counting calories with Garmin finally helped me starting losing weight. I'm gradually getting closer to my goal of getting in shape. I started at 103 kg, which is around 227 pounds, and today I'm around 88 kilograms. That's already 15 kilograms gone. I'm doing all this with my Garmin, and I even created my own program that I call the Dad Bod Reset Plan. If you want to follow it too, you can download it for free. The link is in the description. Let's go back to that running experiment. At that time, I weighed around 97 kilograms. Every day I ran 5 kilometers. According to Garmin, every run burned around 460 calories. 30 runs later, I stepped on the scale again and my weight was 97.5. I actually gained half a kilo. What did that teach me? One very simple thing, I cannot outrun my diet. You can exercise every day, but if you eat more calories than you burn, you simply won't lose weight. Some time ago, Garmin added calorie tracking to Garmin Connect Plus, and honestly, this is probably the only one feature that I think is really worth paying for. I don't really care about AI insights, extra badges, or additional statistics, but calorie tracking, that is a good thing. Garmin shows me 2 numbers, my resting calories and my active calories. Together, they are usually around 2,800 calories per day, so I made a simple decision. I'll eat around 2,000 calories. That's an 800 calorie deficit. Oh, we all know that fitness industry makes weight loss very complicated. They tell you that you have to cook and eat lots of different foods, spend hours in the kitchen. Honestly, I don't have time for that. I like to simplify things. So here are a few rules that help me. First, I usually know today what I'm going to eat tomorrow. Sometimes I even prepare the food the night before. Second, if I want something tasty, a Snickers, a Coke or some chocolate, I don't forbid myself from eating it. I just plan it in advance. A 50-gram Snickers is around 250 calories, and if I know I'm going to eat it, I simply fit it into my daily calories. Third, I try to eat more than 150 grams of protein every day. Fourth, I stopped finishing food after my kids. I think many dads know exactly what I'm talking about. And finally, fifth, don't snack all day. Those little bites don't feel like much, but together they can easily become even 1,000 calories if you eat cookies, for example. Now let me show you what I actually eat. My breakfast is almost always the same, around 200 grams of low-fat cottage cheese, 150 grams of Greek yogurt, berries, some fruit, and sometimes chia or ghee, I don't know, or flax seeds. Sometimes I add sweetener, and of course coffee with around 150 milliliters of milk. And listen, here in Eastern Europe we do not really filter our coffee. We just pour hot water over it and drink it. Adding to Garmin is easy. I can search for the food in the app, but because I eat almost the same breakfast every day, Garmin even suggests it directly on my watch. So sometimes I don't even need my phone. Lunch is also very simple, usually around 200 grams of meat or canned tuna. Then I have buckwheat, rice or pasta or potatoes, plus lots of vegetables, around 300 to 400 grams. And yes, I almost always have dessert. My favorite is a chocolate-covered cottage cheese bar. I know it's not the healthiest dessert in the world, but I love it. And because I count my calories, I can still eat it without feeling guilty. And it's full of protein, by the way. In the evening, I usually have some yogurt with berries. That's roughly around 400 calories. Now, do you think I was perfect during those 2 weeks? Absolutely not. There were days when I ate complete garbage on top of my main food. But here's the important thing. I counted everything. Even if I wasn't supposed to eat it, even if it completely destroyed my calorie target. And I noticed something really interesting. The moment I started logging everything I ate, I naturally started eating less. Even when I wasn't planning to, I stopped overeating because every snack became a conscious decision. Before putting something into my mouth, I knew I'd have to log it. So after just 2 weeks, I really lost 2 kilograms or around 4.4 pounds. But honestly, losing this weight wasn't the biggest achievement. The biggest achievement was that I finally understood how much food my body actually needs. Now I almost can look at the plate and estimate the calories, and that is a skill that I will need for years. So if you're trying to lose your dad bod, don't make the same mistake I made. Don't rely only on exercise. Even if you run every day, you can still stay at the same weight. Try counting your calories for 2 weeks or for a month until you really understand the calories, understand the food. I really think you'll be surprised by how much you'll learn about your eating habits. And if you're also trying to get in the best shape of your life, watch this video. It might help you discover your own superpower.